Good morning, students. This is your science teacher. Today I'm going to teach you Science IIT again. From last few videos, we will continue with our fifth chapter of Science IIT, that is Electricity and Circuit. In this chapter, we discussed on a famous scientist, William Gilbert, and and we continue with the different topics of this chapter. Electricity we already discussed, electric cell we discussed, and today we continue with the next topic, that is electric circuit. Okay, so come to the next point of this chapter, that is electric circuit. Yes, this is electric circuit. uh, in previous class we discussed that what is circuit. Circuit is made up of some electric components or elements, like a bulb is a bulb we needed to making the circuit, a switch we need, and a battery to complete the circuit, and these components connected with another component, that is conducting wire. Okay, so electricity always in our homes and in factories or any place, electricity needs a path to flow. By a path, uh, the electricity flow from positive term to the negative terminal. Okay, so to understand the circuit or to understand the flow of electricity, we uh, we need a circuit. So we prepare a circuit in the laboratory to understand the flow of electricity. Okay, we know that we see the battery or the cell. Always cell has two terminal, a positive terminal and another one is negative terminal. Okay, so always electricity is flow when the circuit is closed. Closed means the switch is on. When switch is on, the path is connected completely, so the electricity flow. And when switched off, the electricity is switched off, and circuit is open, so electricity don't flow. So the condition needed for the flow of current in a circuit, which condition we need? It must a source of electric current. Means in a circuit, a source of electricity is needed. Without a source of electricity, there is no flow of electricity. So in our circuit, we use a cell for the electricity flow. Okay, and another one is the circuit should be closed path. Yes, we discussed the circuit always closed when electricity flow. Okay, so a simple electric circuit, we already discussed, a simple electric circuit is composed of or consists of some source of electric current. Which component we need? A source of electric current, that is cell, an electric device, that is bulb, a switch, and a connecting wire we need. Okay, so these all the components are called components of circuit or the element of the circuit. Okay, these are connected together, shown in the figure. In this figure we discuss already, we see these all components are connected together, and it is difficult to draw the actual structure or the actual diagram of these components. It is time taking when we draw the original pictures of the components. So always to draw the circuit, we are using the symbol of the components. So which every component have uh, its own symbol. So we discussed the visual representation of electric circuit. Okay, there we use some symbols. So for the bulb, actual bulb is like this, appear in this form in the nature. uh, in our house or in our colonies, at many places we see. And in the symbol we draw like this in the circuit. So it is a very simple to draw the circuit. Okay, when we next time when we draw circuit, so we draw the symbol of electric bulb in place of actual image of the bulb. And uh, connecting wire, originally connecting wire like this, different colors of plastic are covered a wire, and in the circuit we draw a simple line. Okay, and cell, we see the cell, actual cells look like this, and the symbol of cell is looking like this. It has two terminal, positive terminal. The long end has positive terminal and the small end has negative terminal. Okay, and when two or more cells are connected like this, in this battery two cells are present. So when two or more cells are connected, then these cells are called as battery. In this picture we already, in this picture we see, by this picture also we can see it is a positive terminal, one battery connected, and second and third. There are three batteries connected in this symbol. Or if we draw the two batteries, so we draw like this. This one, a long, small, long, small. Okay. So if I ask to you, I draw a symbol of battery. In this battery, how many cells are connected? Only two, one and two. And in this battery, one, two, and three. Okay, and remember that always a negative terminal of a cell is connected with the positive terminal of another cell. Same ch- charges or same terminal are not connected to each other because electric current does not flow. It inhibits the flow of current. So battery, when two or more cells are connected, combined, and they form battery. Bulb we discussed, a device that produces light is called from the electricity, that is bulb. Connecting wire, it is connect all the components of circuit. It is made up of copper, aluminum. Uh, Mainly these two wires are used in to connect the electric circuit. Okay, switch. So there it shows the switch. In our houses we see like switch looking like this, and in the electric circuit when we draw like this. It is an open circuit, open switch. Open means it is the off switch. When wires are not connected, electric current does not flow. When this wire connect with this wire, so it means switch is on and current is flow. And register, a register is used. This register means it opposes the flow of electricity. So register looking like this, and we draw in the electric circuit like this. Okay, it is a symbol of register. Okay, and ammeter is used to measure the electric current, how much current is flow, that is measured by a meter, that is ammeter. And in the last video we already discussed that electric current, the SI unit of electric current is ampere. So ammeter is used to measure the ampere. It means how many current is flow is measured by ammeter. Okay, I think it is enough for today. We will continue from tomorrow with the same topic and same chapter. Tomorrow we discussed on the open and closed circuit. I hope you will understand. If you have any doubts, so you can ask.